How are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna walk you through how I read price action, how I read price. Start over here. Got 7 minutes to do everything. So first of all, we're gonna delete everything that we had before. Okay. So I'm gonna start on my left-hand chart here. Okay. Have the daily chart. Pull the daily chart up. And I'm gonna want to mark out previous day low and previous day high. Okay, we don't have no previous day high because we're at all-time highs right now. So we'll mark out the previous day low right there. Previous day low. And that being the opening price. We'll mark that out as well. We're steady going up. So it's a little difficult to trade what is at all-time highs. Best thing you could do is if you could look at the 4 hour, just gonna look for a move to go up. Or maybe it's at the move go up, then we consolidate. Then move up, consolidate, move up. We're just see if it's the time to consolidate or not. That's all we're just trying to see if that's it. Or if we're gonna keep pushing up. Okay. So we got that 4 hours, so we're still bullish. Remember, we're tapping off this 4 hour fair value gap right here that we tapped into. Right here, this fair value gap there. As you can see, this one right there, this 4 hour. Tapping off of that, expand it up. So now we're gonna mark nothing. We're not gonna mark anything on the 4 hour. We're gonna look at the 1 hour now. We're gonna mark out some fair value gaps, whatever we see. See this here. See this 1 hour here. It'd be cool if we can come in here and maybe see if we can bounce off of it. Get a little move up. 1 hour there, it's a BPR. We'll see how that works out. So I am looking just at for longs. If I can, just looking for longs right now. So let's see. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for, some longs. So we got that 1 hour there. We got a 1 hour about to do here. We got a little one there. We might as well mark that one out. This little one here, I'll mark that one out. Right there. Not much else to mark out. That's pretty much it. On the 1 hour. No measurements or anything. But if anything, I'd want it to. Let's see here. Now if we come down here, that'd be good. And look for a long there maybe or something. Come into the middle range. We will see what happens. Either way, just from this range and that range, if we come in here, that'd be awesome too, to look for like a long maybe. So 15 minute. Mark out that fair value gap. See what happens there. I will mark this one out. Small, but I will mark it out. This, mark that out. Mark that out. Yep. Also got a list over here, a checklist to remind me of what to mark out. So right now, I have midnight open. I know that. So I'm gonna mark out that right there. That's midnight open. That's where we opened up on midnight. 0, 0. That's where the candlestick opened up. Also have opening price. That's where my opening price is different. Okay. We got London high and London low. We just took out London high. We did not take out London low. I'm gonna mark London low right here. We also got new day opening gap. Let's check that out. New week opening gap is what it would be. So this is where we are now. There. Boom. Settlement. So see if we can come back there. That'll be a closer. We'll measure it and see if we can get 50% of that range. See it at least come to that 50% of it. Let's see. Any news? I'm gonna check it out over here. So if we have any news. No news. But at 1 o'clock, Trump speaks. So to put there, Trump will speak at that time. We most likely won't be trading that time, but we will put it there. Okay. Let's just see what we got here. We had equalize there. We took those out. We have some equal lows right here. The market should be opening now. Yep. Okay. See what we can see what we got going on here. Got some liquidity there. Equal lows. See what happens. Okay. Let's go to the 5-minute. Not much to really mark there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go down and put this chart to the 1-minute. Leave this at the 1-minute. And we will see what happens here. See what happens. Got a little 5-minute here. Mark that thing. Today we'll see if we have a trade or not. We're not expecting to trade. Every day we're not expecting to trade. But if it shows us, we will take it. But if it shows us, we will take it. Let me see. Hold 1 second. Let me see. Need to do this real quick. Let's see. Okay. Got that. Alright. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're good. Alright. This is my Apex account here, and I got my Top Step account on the other side over here. So let's see. So we got. Hope everybody's doing well. Everybody's safe. Okay. Now we're just waiting here patiently. We got this fair value gap here on 1 minute. See that? What's been happening recently is we will come past that. So it would be then we'll come down here, invert this, may come back up to it, maybe not. I'm gonna freaking drop. I'll drop. That's what's been happening. See what happens here. Okay, so anyways, so what we're gonna do is 9:30 we opened here. This opening price today right there. That's opening price today. Okay, that could be another opening price. That's really the opening price, but I like to do opening price of the candle. I might need to call it something else instead of opening price, so it don't confuse anybody. But yes, opening price of today right here. Okay, and what I want to do is have a fib from there to the settlement. Okay, if we can get to the 50% right here, that would be good. Because at the moment we haven't got in here at all. It's just the settlement price from yesterday and the opening price, and there's a gap. So this is the gap pretty much. This is the gap from when we closed Friday to when we opened today. That's a gap, and 50% of it is usually a decent target to do. So about right there somewhere. Makes sense. But if we don't, because we're at all-time highs, I understand. It's gonna be super patient. So this is like the most important part of trading, is to be super patient, man. And not take a trade. Most of the trading is just learning how to not to take a trade. And being disciplined, that's it. So if you want to learn anything and kind of take anything away, it's just to understand that Just learn discipline. Be disciplined in every area of your life. So when you come to trading, it kind of just it flows onto it. You don't want contradicting actions and traits outside of trading that you want to incorporate in trading, because they will, every bad thing you have will show in trading. Trading, the charts are just a mirror, pretty much. If you're having a good day, it'll show you. If you're having a bad day, it'll show you. Whatever it is, it'll show you. So just being patient, that's all. Okay, when it turns 10 o'clock, that'll be the point where I'll take this off. This gap, I'll take it off. That's just how I learned. So at 10 o'clock, I will take it off. And I wouldn't need it anymore. So we will see. No SMTs as of now. Kind of just moving straight up a little bit. Move straight up. The only thing it did do was this little order block here kind of came back past it when we finally closed past this little consolidation that we had, little order block. We passed it up. When we finally closed past it, this candle here, when we finally closed past it, we came back to it. Okay? The only thing with that is you'd want your stop below here. And I'm not sure how far it'll go. There's no drawn liquidity on this. I mean, so it's just going up. So the best thing to do is put it like halfway. But it's just no drawn liquidity. So we don't know if this is the top, if this is it. There's nothing here to show us. There's nothing to the left to show us. So there's nothing left to show us. We want it to come down and like kind of show us some stuff. It'll help us out. Let's see here. There's nothing, man. It's like, see, is it gonna go past this? I mean, or what? Right now, I'm just kind of tape reading. I don't want to trade this right now. I don't want to trade it right now. I don't think. I just want to see how this, if it's a strong candle or not, is what I want to see here. It may be opportunity, maybe an opportunity right here. I think that's an opportunity right there. I think that's an opportunity right there. It's just hard. It's just hard to do this right now, but we'll see. I would have wanted it to come back right here. Stop loss needs to be there. We'll see what happens. Did create a fair rag up there, so that's maybe an entry there. Let's see here.
Order filled.
What the heck is that? I want to see how it closes on this fair rag up here. See if I want to get in on my other accounts or not. If it closes past this, I might not want to get in it. It looks like it's gonna close past it, so I won't get in it on my top step accounts. No, nope. Still valid for this though. Still valid for this. And we'll see what's up. I just don't like it enough for my top step accounts. That's all. Guess we want to keep grinding up. We'll see. If we pass this up, I may get in. We'll see if it wants to pass this up or not. That'll show me a good indication that we want to go lower. To at least take this out here. We'll see here. See if we invert this real quick. Not yet. I have my entry, little take profit and loss right here at this level because that's where I normally would get in. So my stop and my take profit is based off that level. I know I got in down here, but my take profit and stop loss is based on that level of the ratio of what I want to get. Guess we just want to push higher right now.
Stop
yeah.
filled.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Just want to push higher for right now. And we did save a little bit by not putting it way up here. That was enough for us. Right above this. And we'll see what happens next. It seemed good to me. We'll see how it happens. See what happens. Just gotta keep reminding myself, keep reminding yourself as well. It's just a probability game. So you're gonna lose, you're gonna win. Sometimes it's nothing you did wrong. Sometimes nothing you did right. Sometimes just a probability. That's where it is. As long as you stick to your plan, you should win enough if you did the research. I don't see anything I want right now. I'm gonna keep grinding up. Yeah. Yeah, we're just pushing up right now, bud. That's it, bud. Pushing up a little bit. So nothing for us right now. Nothing for us. That we'll come back here. Looks like we're not gonna come back here. So take that off. I'll leave this for right now. I just want to see what happens. I'm curious on what happens with that. This may be it, but if it is it, it's gonna have to go without me because I'm not gonna get in it. So I'm waiting for like a bigger, higher time frame shift right now to make sure it doesn't want to keep going up. For now, it just looks like it wants to keep going up, grinding up. If it does, I'm about to sit back and watch right now. So any fair value gap you see, especially on the higher time frame, it's good to mark it out. So we got a 5 minute right here that we created on the first candle of the day, 5 minute candle. Still want to push up, keep pushing up, huh? But just where are we going? We're not sure. We're gonna make it to the 300s. That's where the 300s are. That's where the 300s are, so could be there, could not be there. We'll see. Is that where we're headed? There's not much to see here, man. Just kind of just chilling out, seeing what happens. See if we get a good move down. Maybe try another short. We'll see. Okay. So we get a good disbursement down right here, displacement down. Right here, boom. Come through this fair value gap. With a good candle. Maybe something I'm interested in. Maybe. We'll see. That'd be just to maybe go back in here. Little 15 minute that we created here with no wick. No wick, 15 minute right here, which kind of lets us know it may come back here. So right there. Right here, so it would be something like this. right there, depending on where the fair value gap is here, if we get it. And then right here somewhere, all we need is somewhere around there. That's where it may be. Change this one to, because every time frame has a different color for me. 15-minute right there. See what happens here. It's a good little move right here, be good. This little right here, I just want a good little decent move. Come down and past this right here. Little change state delivery right here. Boom. We want to keep grinding up and just keep using these order blocks how we've been doing. We came up, tapped that order block, came up, kind of just chilling right here into this. Didn't really pass it up, just kind of combined them, came up. Maybe we're just coming up, is we're just gonna tap on this and keep going up, or there's no targets up to the upside right now. So any short, anything we take is just kind of just off the 1 minute and maybe off the 5 minute, but we will see. We just tapped into this little order block kind of thing right here. See what kind of weakness it has right here to be able to go down or not. We'll see here. See if this is it. See if this is it. There, come on. Good little body move all the way down here. If we take this out as well, that'd be awesome. But yeah, to come in here would be the best thing right there. That'd be the best thing, but all is necessary is here somewhere. I just have to see like a good solid candle to come down. That's what I would like to see, is a good solid candle to come down to let me know it's ready to go down. We're not ready, then we're not ready. Yeah, nothing right now, man. Nothing right now. Might not be no trades, no more trades at least. see here. Nothing to see really, man. Just kind of just grinding up. Just grinding up. That's all. The 1 hour. We're just going up. So soon would like to see for it to come down here, kind of like come down here, anywhere here. We could erase this settlement opening price gap thing. But yeah, it looks like it's for like a rebound, so it should be coming in any time now. So we will see. We'll see here. See if we get this move here, a good candle. Displacement is a good indication, but I still like it for it to come down here. If we can come down here in like 2-3 bars and pass this up, that'd be good. Not just 4 or 5, 2 or 3 to knock this out and close past this level here. That'd be good. But if it takes a long time, it's still taking forever, then no. It's not ready for shorts in that case. Let's go. Oh, let's see what happens here. Okay, yeah. Might just happen quick right now. Might happen quick. It may happen quick. Let's see what happens here. Happens. So let's see what's going on. Any news, anything going on. Candlestick looking a little jittery. Nothing really going on. Let's see. Okay. Be patient, man. Be patient. Be patient. I feel like a little anxiousness coming up, and just kind of you got to disregard that. Let it come to you. You don't need to go to it. You gotta be prepared when it shows up, but just let it come to you. Still looking to change state of delivery right here. Like a good close past that. A good close past that. If we can close past this as well, that'd be perfect. 1 minute coming up on the 5 minute. If we can close past that 5 minute, be looking for the next 5 minute, or at least the 15 minute over here to tap into that. But I'm starting to like this right now for a short. I may just go in a little bit now on this one. We'll see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. We're not in there yet. Waiting for this. The trade model is not validated until we close past this right here. If we close past this fair value gap as well, that'd be even better. But we're not looking for anything until we're close past this and that. But that's just what we're looking at. Let's see what happens here. Good rejection right here, be good. Big old wick. Good wick right now. Otherwise it just looks strong as crap. You mean? Otherwise it looks strong as crap. We got right here. We got creating a 15 minute right now. 15 minute right there, fair value gap. Just created it. Okay. So now we got that to worry about. Little move right there. We open. It's a big old gap right here. Usually a sign of strength, because usually every candle is kind of open or close, open, kind of little jump. This is like a bigger jump than normal right here, from here to there. There's a lot of jumps here though, but usually just like this. We'll see what happens here. We got a 15 minute here though, that's the only thing about it. Looking at ES right now, kind of just seeing what it's doing. Look like it still has some downside we could get on ES. 5 minute on ES. Looks like we're kind of holding a order breaker block, or order block, yeah, order block. So, and there's a lot of downside on the ES. It looks like to me, a lot of downside, on the ES. So they correlate with each other, so that'd be good. If we get that, and it's making a little order block here, so that'd be even better for me. My stop loss would be even more validated and be more solid if we do that. So let's see what happens here. Still seeing if we can get this short or not. Looking for a close past it. Looking for a close past it. Let's see. See if we can get it right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Not quite. So this candle, we may get it. We'll see. But we did create a little order block here. If we come down here and displace a little bit more, so our stop loss being right there would be great. Take profit down here, still good. Let's just see what happens. There's a 15 minute right now, right here. So let's just see what happens at this 15 minute. That's the only thing I don't like about it. This is a 15 minute, there's a 5 minute that we might bounce up and just keep grinding up. We do have some rebalancing to do, but we're not here to call the top. We're here to react. Or not react, we're here to just kind of just see what it gives us and what the data it gives us and try to just calculate it and fit our strategy into that. That's what we're trying to do. I have a feeling once it goes past this, it's gonna be a good candle. I feel like it's gonna be a good candle right here. Once we go past this, I feel like it's gonna be a good solid candle past this. Let's see. Once it does go past it, because this is an important level here. Got a 15 minute, 5 minute there. Let's see what happens. A wick just came out of nowhere. Let's see what happens here. Just tapped into the 5 minute, 15 minute. Yep, look. Yep, let's see. Yep. Told you on that one. Support level, once it goes past that, we're gonna get it. If we get a good close down here, good close past this, I'll get in. If we do that, I'm not. You already know I'm not getting in. So I want to close into this. For reg up, be the best. Not right here. It's too small. Close down here somewhere would be awesome. Up there, definitely not. Yeah, nothing there. Nothing there for me. We just tapped into that 5:15. So really should be looking for longs since we did that. But if we're anticipating for a rebalance, then yeah. I think there's a lot more downside. I mean, it's a lot. So let's see what happens. If I do get in, it won't be as much, I don't think. So we'll just see what happens here. Once it shows us, we may get in more. Let's see. Want to tap right here. Want to tap right there. See what happens. Right there.
Order filled.
So yep, and stop loss right there. Confirm. So yeah, somewhere right there be my take profit. See what happens. We're only in 5, so I think it's good. I think it's a decent time for it to. I didn't get in on my top step again. Top steps are just usually for my good trades, A plus trades. These are decent trades. It's not the best because we're at all-time highs. So. just wait and see what happens here. I think my stop loss is gonna in a good spot. See how this 15-minute holds up. See how this 5-minute holds up. If we close past this 5-minute, that'd be good news for us. If we continue rejecting, it's not good news. So we will see. Come back into there. Let's see, good rejection. That's good. See if we come down here. Good strength. Close past that. Yeah. Let's see here. We didn't quite close past it. Not really. A little bit on that candle. We're closed right on there. So it's not really close past the 5-minute. So we'll see here how this works out for us. I see this here. See that here. For a long. Put this right there. Right there.
Stop filled.
Yep. Okay, another one down. Look good to me. Just all-time high. I guess we're just grinding up, man. So that means if we do get an entry here, I wouldn't be. It'll look good to me right here. It'll look good to me. Yeah, I like that. I like that a little bit better because we're going with the bias. We get tapped in here.
Order filled.
Stop loss right there. Stop loss right there. Good stop loss. See if we want to go up now. And this one I am in on my top step. So we will see how this one works out. I like this one. So I got in on my top step. Let's see what happens here. Mm-hmm.
Order stop failed.
Shoot. The heck was that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. The heck was that crap? Only lost $100 on top step. Wasn't too bad. That was crazy. I don't know what the heck that was, but see what the heck that was. See if we can see what that was. So U.S. Treasury Secretary Sept is the news. The U.S. will not impose tariffs on Chinese goods for purchasing Russian oil unless European countries do the same. Interview. So still looks good for higher. Right here. Still was my idea. Right there, but got stopped out. Let's see here. Still looks good, man, but I just don't like that. I don't like that wick. That just happened. That's freaking ridiculous. But yeah, man, I like that trade. I like this one really bad. I like this one because we're coming off of this right here. Boom, coming off of that, coming off this 5 minute. We're expecting it to push up. I mean, we've been pushing up this whole freaking time. We came back into this. What does the 1 hour look like? Just normal. But we came back into that 15 and the 5 minute, picking like a little push, at least to look up here maybe. Something we take them highs out right here, then break even for sure. I mean, would have got taken out right here if that's the case. But I liked it. I mean, because we changed state of delivery, came back into it, started to go up, whatever. And this freaking wick was freaking crazy. Good thing it got me out here still, but yeah. I guess expect it to go down now. So that's a good thing too. You have to remember. I'm thinking about right now is just, man, being able to take them L's, take the losses, and just kind of move on from them. That's it. Don't let it eat away at you. Just kind of let it you lose and let you just kind of just let you just kind of just bounce off you. I say, okay, whatever. I mean, it's kind of just okay, whatever. That's it. That's all we're trying to do here. That's a big thing, I think, is that that can help change me. To help change me, and that will help change you. Is just being able to let that bounce right off you. Not worrying about it. Boom, just let it go. Reboot. Get back into the groove. Get back into the mindset you had when you first entered or turned on the computer and wanted to trade, just go back to that. Relax, chill, that's it. Regroup and look for another trade. That's it. Is it easy? No, but is it possible? Can you do it? Heck yeah, you can do it. Heck yeah, you can do it. Just make sure you're going out there and doing what you do. Doing what you do, man, every day. What you do on the charts, make sure you're doing that. What you want on the charts, make sure you're doing that. Nothing optimal for me right now. I'm really close to this change state delivery here. As you can see where my stop loss would have been was a hair lower than that. We barely did that. That's because the fair value gap was there. Tapped into that. Let's see if we have some follow through with this. Okay. Let's see. Nothing really good, man. Nothing on